Hello and welcome. Today I'm making the most addicting and simple chili oil noodles. It takes only 10 minutes to make a big batch of them, so whenever you don't feel like cooking, you can have a delicious meal simply by boiling up some noodles. This is going to be one of those dishes that are incredibly cheap, ridiculously quick, and absolutely delicious. What makes this chili oil even more special is that you can use it on anything, whether it's noodles, a stew, or even as a marinade. So it's time to say goodnight to hungry weekday nights, and good morning to the best chili oil noodles, times 2. There's no need to add too much sodium right now. This way, the amount of sauce you want to use won't be affected by the sodium. So you can start by drenching your noodles in as much sauce as you want, and then use soy sauce to get the desired amount of saltiness. You can put this chili oil on any type of noodles, spaghetti included, although Italians might come after you for that. I would recommend using egg noodles though. They add more substance so you can have more eating momentum. Another option is to use regular ramen, to which you can optionally add some egg, minced meat, or tofu. Now the only thing missing here is some green, and nothing goes better on noodles than coriander. If you don't like coriander, you could use green onions, which are great, but not as great as coriander.